welcome to another how-to video. In this case, we're going to talk about cyclic reference and creating cyclic references from bad CAD data, how to fix. So there are some circumstances in your CAD data where you create a loop between parent and child relationships in bill of materials. And this is an example when you expand a bill of material in OpenBOM, you get this message, there's a circular reference found. So this is due to CAD data putting the same part number over a parent and child relationship, like an assembly have the same part number on a part. That's the most common thing. So the best thing to troubleshoot it is the message actually contains the problematic part number. So you can investigate which one is causing this issue. So it's opening that part number, and there's found another part number with the same. So the best thing to do is just look for that information in your CAD data. So you can even investigate by going to the single level of that bill of material. So you can right click on the part number, go to open this item bill of material. It will open on the web browser, and you can investigate further the problem and understand where the issue is. So you can see that this assembly part number is the same as this part here. So what's going to cause is OpenBOM wants to go indefinitely to go create this tree forever. So this cannot happen. That's why we are stopping this procedure. So in order to fix it, the best thing to do is start by removing that bill of material, just delete it from all BOMs. That will be the best thing to do. You search for it and find it and delete that bill of material. So you can move to trash or click on the delete button to remove it. The next thing is fix this in the CAD model. So if we look into this specific subassembly, that is problematic. That's the CD07 over there. We can see the problematic issue is that the file name has the same part number as the assembly. So we can fix this by, for example, just excluding from BOM this part once we have identified the problem and the issue with. So in this case, I'm going to just exclude it from bill of material. You could also evaluate to dissolve that subassembly, and that could be also an option to do that. In this case, I'm going to fix it just by excluding from the bill of material. So I'll exclude that item from the bill of material, and I'm going to generate and update the bill of material again from OpenBOM. So let's do that. Update all the structure again, and we should have that issue fixed. So you're going to go through this entire structure again, updating the BOM structure, capturing this product information. I have selected to extract derivative files from SolidWorks drawings to create them as PDFs. And once this product information extraction is completed, we can see if we fix the problem. Let's go through those. You can save a lot of time with just derivative file automation. So we can go into opening that bill of material. We can jump again to the main assembly and now expand that level again. So let's do that. So if we go into the crank assembly, so notice that we don't have that issue anymore. Okay, hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.